Good morning. Welcome back to the Mile Marker series, where I share with you the Sanibel Beach mile markers in half-mile increments. This section goes from mile marker 4 to 4.5, and all of the resorts sit along West Gulf Drive. The beautiful Sanibel Beach Resort sits behind mile marker 4. There are 114 suites set on 23 acres with numerous amenities such as an Olympic-sized swimming pool, tennis and pickleball courts, as well as a restaurant and a poolside bar and grill. Island Beach Club is the next resort in line. This is an outstanding resort with 75 units housed in 6 buildings. There is a heated pool, outdoor grills and shuffleboard. Following along are 2 fabulous condos. Poinciana is on the right. This is a smaller complex with 9 2- and 3-bedroom units. There is a swimming pool and tennis courts. And White Sands is the complex on the left. There are 14 units with either 2 or 3 bedrooms. Amenities include a swimming pool, barbecue grills and on-site tennis courts. Next up is the fantastic Villa Sanibel. It has 20 units, a heated swimming pool, tennis courts and gas grills. The following resort with the Victorian architecture is the delightful Sanibel Cottages. There are 28 rooms, tennis courts and a heated swimming pool. The terrific resort coming up next with the lagoon in the middle is Point Santo de Sanibel. This is a 141 room resort with either 2 to 3 bedrooms. There's a heated pool, a hot tub, gas grills, volleyball, tennis courts and pickleball. And what a fabulous view you get from the rooftop terraces at Point Santo. Tarpon Beach Condo is the final resort in this stretch. This superb complex has 30 2-bedroom units, a pool, tennis courts and gas grills. And what a perfect spot to end. Mile marker 4.5 is right beside the Tarpon Bay beach access. There is a public boardwalk with paid parking facilities in the Trost parking lot, which is 1/10 of a mile down Tarpon Bay Road. What a wonderful series of resorts in this stretch, everything from large to small. There really is something for everybody. My name is Nick Adams. Come and join me on the next one.